Samsung introduced multiple features to improve the gaming performance of the Galaxy S23 series. Some of those features are now coming soon to older Galaxy devices. The Pause USB power delivery feature was first spotted on the Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, and Galaxy S23 Ultra, and it has now started appearing on some older smartphones. The Galaxy S22 series is getting the Pause USB power delivery feature after updating the Game Booster app to the latest version. When this feature is activated while gaming, the power from the connected charger goes directly to the processor and battery charging is paused. This stops the battery from warming up, thereby improving the gaming performance of the phone. You can access this feature from the Game Booster section of the game launcher, and it works only with games. In some regions, this new feature has appeared on the Galaxy S73 5G, Galaxy Z Fold 2, Galaxy Z Fold 3, and Galaxy Z Fold 4. Interestingly, some users claim that the feature appeared on their phones only after using Samsung's 45-watt USB PT charger. This feature needs the Game Booster app to be on version 5.003.0, and you can update it through the Galaxy Store. Samsung hasn't explained or advertised this feature anywhere yet. Also here we have another amazing news related to the charging speed of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The Galaxy S23 series brings a lot of subtle improvements, but a charging power upgrade isn't one of them. The Galaxy S23 continues to feature a maximum 25-watt fast charging, while the Galaxy S23 Plus and the Galaxy S23 Ultra support 45-watt fast charging. However, the Galaxy S23 Ultra still charges slightly faster than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. GSM Arena tested the charging speeds of the Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus, and Galaxy S23 Ultra. They found that the Galaxy S23 Ultra charges up to 68% in just 30 minutes with a 45-watt fast charger. In comparison, the Galaxy S22 Ultra charged up to 61% in 30 minutes. That's a small improvement, but is an improvement nonetheless. It isn't far off from the Xiaomi 12S Ultra, which charged 4% more than the Galaxy S23 Ultra, despite featuring 67-watt fast charging. The Galaxy S23 Ultra charges fully in 59 minutes when using a 45-watt USB PD 3.0 charger with programmable power supply. That figure is similar to the Galaxy S22 Ultra using the same charger, and it is just 9 minutes slower than the Xiaomi 12S Ultra. Phones in the same segment from Apple and Google take much more time to charge fully. This minor improvement in charging speed in the first 30 minutes could be due to Samsung's improved cooling solution. Charging speeds also depend on the device's temperature. Since the Galaxy S23 Ultra has a much bigger heat dissipation solution, it can cool down more efficiently, leading to slightly faster charging speeds. However, despite having a similar cooling solution, the Galaxy S23 and the Galaxy S23 Plus don't show any improvement in charging speeds. What do you think about this beast? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.